biggest market here in India is, for me, infrastructure and logistics, because from an infrastructure and logistic perspective, India is still behind its opportunities. So there will be a huge catch-up, right? Everybody to the Indian press, everyone committed a huge investment now for India, and we want to be part of this wave of success for logistic and transportation industry in India.
The people here and we as a company grow in knowledge, grow in the way of the assembly process, the deeper process. Next step with local suppliers. We always are looking for local suppliers who will support us technical-wise, painting, die casting, stamping, all these processes. We are, as a process, more or less focused on our plastic parts in our injection machines and the assembly process. And of course, the testing of the finished device.
Schmersal Solutions. Even if a product is manufactured in India or Germany or Brazil or China, it carries all the same international approvals which are there. So no product is different.